Let's go back to Dom Chu now for more on what Warren Buffett is buying and selling. Dom?
All right. So, Sarah, here's what we got. First of all, again, the conventional wisdom when it comes to going through Berkshire's investment holdings is that when it comes to the billion-dollar-plus investments, those are typically ones we associate with being made by Warren Buffett himself. Those ones that are under $1 billion are typically those we associate as being made by Todd Combs or Ted Weschler, his top lieutenants, when it comes to picking stocks. Now, with that in mind, the two notable new positions that we are talking about with regard to Berkshire Hathaway have to do with, as we pointed out before, Kroger, which is up pretty big pre-market on this. Also, Biogen, a new stake in Biogen to the tune of just around 648-some thousand shares. So those two stocks appear to be new positions made by the portfolio management team at Berkshire Hathaway, perhaps not by Buffett himself. The other notable ones that we will point out here are in financial services. Goldman Sachs, perhaps seen as one made by Buffett, Goldman Sachs is a fairly large reduction. Berkshire has reduced its stake by about 35% in the investment banking giant. Also, Wells Fargo, which is known as a Warren Buffett pick within the portfolio, the stake in Wells Fargo has been trimmed by about 15%. Other notable ones here as well. Travelers Group is almost a complete divestiture at this point. They've trimmed about 95% of their stake there. A couple of notable increases here, or one in particular, is RH, the company formerly known as Restoration Hardware, another portfolio manager pick. That's a 41% increase in the stake in RH shares to right now just around 1.7 million shares worth of stock. So those are the notables coming out of Berkshire Hathaway. They are moving the stocks in some instances, for sure, for Kroger and Biogen. We'll continue to look through all of these, but Morgan, Sarah, Michael, it's been a pretty interesting 13F so far. We'll see if we have more details for you in the coming minutes and hours, guys. Back over to you.
Looks like, Dom, also Occidental Petroleum
Yes.
was an ad. We know they were part of Berkshire was part of that deal.
And Phillips 66 is a notable reduction, but we know that they've been working off that position kind of over the course of the last few quarters or so there as well.